Welcome back YouTube channel. The 2025 Toyota CHR is a compact crossover SUV that combines bold styling with hybrid efficiency. It is available in several trims, including the GXL, Koba, and the sport-oriented GR Sport. Pricing: in Australia, the 2025 Toyota CHR is priced as follows: GXL Hybrid, 42,990. Koba Hybrid, 49,990. Koba Hybrid Plus 2-Tone, 50,765. Koba Hybrid Plus 2-Tone Plus, 51,540. GR Sport Hybrid, 54,990. GR Sport Hybrid Plus 2-Tone Plus, 56,540. GR Sport Hybrid Plus 2TNE Plus PR, 57,690. Engine and performance: the CHR is equipped with a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder hybrid engine, delivering a combined output of 145 kilowatts. This powertrain is paired with a continuously variable transmission CVT and all-wheel drive, offering a balance of performance and fuel efficiency. The GR Sport variant, despite its sporty appearance, maintains a focus on comfort and efficiency rather than outright performance. Interior and features: inside, the CHR features a modern cabin with premium materials, especially in the GR Sport trim. Standard features include a 10.5